Alright, the Word of God says you shall lay hands on the sick and they shall recover. I've been like, kind of, should I go in this stuff or should I? I kept on the Lord say, go in, go in, go in. It's really hot. But now anyway, I'm touching it. Your skin's the biggest organ in your body. And I gotta put the cell phone down, but yeah, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go all the way in. This stuff looks really gross. It's usually clear. But I'm gonna go all the way in. And I've had a few coughs, but overall I'm handling. My body's better. I've been fasting a lot recently in the past, especially the past few days, but I'm ready for it. My body's, like I said, I did a lot of water yesterday and this morning. That's the main thing. You shall lay hands on the sick and they shall recover. Excuse me. I know I'm burping. Mark 16, I'm burping because I had some coffee or something maybe this morning.